Okay, so what we've done here is we've removed the bulk of the grout, and as you can see, there is just grout that needs to be washed off and washed away in order to give us the full effect of the color that we chose for the new reno of the bathroom. So I'm going to get to that momentarily and then give you an update right away. So this is after the grouting job. It's clean. It'll probably dry and there'll be still a bit of a sandy coat or light coat over top of it, which is usually just the dust. But what we'll do is we'll finish it off with a sealant, and those grout lines should darken up a little bit, somewhat. But that's for another day. But for now, this is Up in Canada. I'm Dominic Raphael, and this is 1894, the reno of the century. So cheers.